In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix the Toupret wood repair filler. My name's Stephen from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators, and you're watching Inexteriors TV. Right, like I said, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to mix the Toupret wood repair filler. Now, I had a comment asking if it was easy to mix, so I thought to myself, you know what, I'll make a video and show you. So this is what I'm going to do. So just before I start, if you want to purchase this Toupret wood filler along with the stuff that I use to mix it with, the links will be in the description below. And also, if you want to purchase any other tools, there'll be a link to my tool store in the description below. And also, if you want to watch the review that I did on this Toupret filler, the video will pop up at the end of this video on an end screen. So right, with all that said, let's get into this. I've got about 7mm of water, 7mm in depth in this pot. Well, I'm only mixing a little bit, and obviously if you want more of a batch of filler, put more water in. Now what I like to do is have one dry spatula, put a couple of scoops in. And I like to add it gradually, because if you end up trying to pour it, you end up putting more powder in than what you need. Then you end up putting more water, then more powder, and then before you know it, you end up with like a full tub. So if you're more controlled in what you're doing, then it makes it a bit easier. So then we give that a stir. So we think, right, let's put a bit more in. I mean, you could use a spoon. And give it another stir. So it's starting to get there. I mean, the truth is I can pour it to a certain degree, then I'll start using this to finish it off with when it comes to putting the little bits in. But if you're just new to doing this, then just do it like this, a bit at a time, until you get your consistency. I can see we're getting there now. I mean, when I'm mixing bigger batches of easy fill in buckets, I have like a flask cup that I use. And give it a stir. And now we're about there. There you go. I'll just show you the consistency. And that's how easy it was to mix the Toupret wood repair filler. So, thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.